Hello, welcome to Let's Grow More Community in DSA Player. Today, I will be telling you all the steps how to contribute, how to make the issue, and how to done your contribution. So let's start. What is DSA? This project Player. So here we have such different topics, and we have the certain question. We have many of the question, and here you have to contribute the answer of that question, the code of that question. You have to explain it a little bit, right? So what you have to do, first of all, fork this repo and go to the readme. Okay, readme will be telling you all about the process, and you can check the video. And I request you to check this video first, so you can do it right in the right manner. Now we have a three option to do in C++, Java, Python. Okay, we have a three language for now, and after that we will be seeing that. Here the project is structured, that how you have to contribute, workflow, the entire workflow, how you can suggest the question, contributor guidelines, in we have given the such level, and how many days you have to take to, after assigning, how many days it should take, right? Guidelines of your code, where to upload, right? Your file should be uploaded in arrays C++, like that. Project maintainer, project mentors. Okay, now I will be telling you that if you think that I'm good in DP, go in DP section. We have certain questions, like, and we have numbers of questions, like, unique path question. If you know how to do it. If you don't know, no matter, you can go and learn from different sites, but you can't copy paste that question. Okay, now go in issue. These are the text of Let's Grow More. It doesn't matter if it is here or not, because this is the official project of Let's Grow More. So the issue you can contribute, it will be counted. These are the level. Level means how complex the questionnaire is, and you in level, if the level is higher, you will be getting more points. So like I know that the question of unique path, right? So I will be going to the unique path question. You can search directly if you want. Now check this guidelines, read this guidelines. You can check this video, and now for how you can get the assignment. So you can write, can you please assign me this question? I can do in topic, like in the language, whatever language you can do, like Python, Java, and you can just write that topic and just comment it. Now our team will be assigning you. But if there are 3-4 comments, so which we will pick? So it's all first come first get. Okay, so if you have commented first, you will be assigned first. So there is no type of partiality here. Okay, but if you have already assigned any 2 issues in this project only, so try to do that first, and then we will be assigning you third one or fourth one and any number. But first do that too, then you can get assigned. So now in whatever language you want to do, like that Python, Java, C++, any, so like write that language, that in this language I will be doing that question. Okay, great. Now go to the code section, go to the, like, any topic, like I have asked for DP, just go in DP in unique path, like I will be showing you here. So we have many such questions, so you can, if you want to know how small question, now go to, it will be redirecting you to the lead code question. So why we have not write the question, so it will be showing you how the real question comes in the industry. So the lead code have a very good specified pattern, that how the question is here. Okay, so now you can check the question from the from lead code, and check all the input, output, all the constraint. You can first, for trying, you can submit it on lead code and check it that it's running or not. And if it is running, that's well and good. You can just put it on your GitHub repo, and please, I request you to explain, to write comments in that question, so if any other person comes, so it will be helpful to him. Okay, so just copy this question. I am just copying for now, but you have to read and just solve it. If you it's not compulsion to solve here only, you can solve it anywhere, but yeah, it will be good if you solve here. We will be not checking that if you have done or not, right? So I request you to change the input, because you can take your own input. It will be good input and output, and just copy this and modify the question in your language or same language as you want. Like I know Java, I will be going to Java. If I know C++, I will go to C++. Go create a file. Now, after this, you can just I request you to put the name, what the question same as it is. Okay. So first, yeah. So what is the name of the question? Try to copy from that and just write that how many. Okay, just I will be not writing for you now. Now after this, give the input and all, and write the code with the explanation, then comment it. Okay, sorry, commit it. Okay, great. Now. Now you can, I am not committing it now because I have not done. Okay, go to the DSA player. Now you can just go how to make the pull request done. So here are some guidelines which we have shown. Yeah. So first of all, what are the level? If you have, if the issue have level 0, you means that you have to submit that question in 1 day. If you have not done, we will try to give someone else. If level 1, 1 day. Level 2, 2 days. Okay, you can just read this out. Okay. Now, it's strictly written that plagiarism is not allowed. Our team is very focused on it. So please don't try to cheat. Okay. You can just take the reference from it, but don't cheat. Now, how to make the pull request? Just mention in the issue against, means go in the issue. I will be showing you that which the pull request, write the fixes. There is the number given like 81, 82. Okay, any number you can. I will be showing you that how to check that number. Go copy that number and copy that number in the hashtag here, your issue number, and fixes what you have done. Okay, in the question. Now, where is that number? It's here. So like take that. Now it will be showing you hashtag 99. Okay, so this is your problem number. Go in the pull request. Go in. It will be not showing to me. So like he have make the pull request. So I will be sure. Okay. So what he have done? Power of 2.java hashtag 122. That's great. Okay. So yeah, it's showing that pull request, you can merge it. So our team will be checking your answer and we will be merging it. So yeah, what the fixes is what you have done and hashtag the problem number. Okay, so now our team will be checking and making sure that you have not done or done. And one more thing, now the question you want to know, if you the question you know, but it's not in the issue. Now what you have to do, you don't need to make any issue. Please don't create the issue, it makes difficulty to our team. So go and suggest the question and our team will be checking the question. Now if I think that I know how to create an array, but that topic is not here written, the issue is not made. So go here, edit the file, write the first number. Okay, write first number and create a array. Okay, you can go on LeetCode and copy that link, so and put it here, so it will be more easier. It's not compulsory, and just commit it. So our team, whenever our team will check, okay, this question is not there, they will go and create that, and after that, after some days or some time, you can go and see that the issue is made or not. If it may happen that our team already made, but you haven't seen that, so please first check that. Okay, now I think I have told you all. Now all you can check the all our topics here. If we will be adding more topics, so for now we have some topics. Okay, Many of the topics are good. Now how can participants suggest a question? This topic is covered recently. Okay. Contributor guidelines, I have told that check this and read all the topics. Fixes guidelines of our code, I have told that the space complexity, what should be the complexity, and that makes us so much hard. Okay, and try to explain it. Project structure, what is the our project structure? So I think this covers all the thing. Okay, so please, if any queries, you can go to our channel. You can ask our mentor. They are very helpful. We will be telling you all the things. Okay, here are all the topics. If anything will be updated, we will update it. And again, I request you, thank you for it. And please check the video so you don't make any mistake. Thank you.